Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Dodge Challenger in Driving Empire. First, you'll need to accumulate a substantial amount of in-game cash. Focus on completing races and collecting your daily rewards consistently. Additionally, ensure your player level is at least 15, as this often unlocks access to more exclusive vehicles. Aim to save around $100,000 for the car itself. To maximize your earnings, prioritize circuit races, which offer significant cash rewards upon completion. Don't forget to tackle your daily quests. These provide valuable bonus cash and experience points, helping you level up faster. For an extra edge, consider activating any available cash boosts, such as those from VIP game passes or by joining the official game group. Once you have enough cash and meet the level requirement, head to the main car dealership within Driving Empire. Browse through the available vehicles until you find the Dodge Challenger. Double-check its price, which should be around $100,000, and then proceed with the purchase. Congratulations, you now own a powerful muscle car. With your new Dodge Challenger, the fun truly begins. Take it to the mod shop to explore various performance upgrades like engine enhancements and better tires. You can also personalize its appearance with custom paint colors and unique rims to make it truly yours. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Now, hit the roads and enjoy your powerful ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.